Hi everybody and welcome back to Tip Tuesday. My name is Madeline Golick and I'm a registered physiotherapist. I'm also the owner of Eco Physiotherapy. Today I want to show you a shoulder range of motion exercise. And this exercise is really great when all else fails to get you range of motion. This exercise is really great because it's the least impact on the shoulder joint. So at home, you can use a counter, you can use a chair, and what we're essentially going to do is we're going to bend a little bit such that our arm can dangle freely. And what we want to do is rather than use our shoulder to get the range of motion moving, we want to use our body. So we can swing our body sort of back and forth, and we want to kind of create a little sway motion that gets the arm moving in a circle. And so we want to kind of keep that circle going for about 30 seconds. Okay, nice range of motion. And if you want, after 30 seconds, you can certainly try to make it go the other way, right? So gravity is creating a little bit of distance and a little bit of space in the shoulder joint, and our body is creating the rotation in the shoulder joint. Now, for some of you, you might need a little extra oomph or don't really feel that traction in the shoulder. So you can grab a small can at home. I have a 2-pound weight here. A 1-pound weight or a can of Campbell's soup works too. And you can use that to kind of weigh the shoulder down a little bit, and then you can go over the same motion. So we call this exercise the shoulder pendulum exercise, and it's mainly for helping to move inflammation. And remember, motion is lotion, so lubricate your joints. And if you like this video and you know a friend who's having some shoulder pain, make sure you tag them in. Bye for now.